The next word is edify. To edify is to instruct someone morally, spiritually, as you see in the first picture, and intellectually, in order to improve their mind or character. The starting two letters ed of the word edify will remind you of the word educate, and any word which ends in ify is a verb. So the link is edify to educate, as you can see in the pictures, to educate morally, intellectually, and spiritually. Besides schools and teachers, religious channels, books, movies, workshops, plays, all of these can edify, that is, enlighten someone. Watch a video in which a teacher is displaying a unique way of dealing with and edifying her students.